again, working on this thing. I'm about to take this harness off. There's cooling because my radiator is leaking, so change that out later on. I was having a little bit of issues with the harness. It has like a short in one of the wires, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. I'm gonna swap in the stock harness for now, and then redo this harness like the way that I actually want it to be done. Another change. Oh, we did get some new wheels with some tires on there. Kind of sticky. Got a full setup all around. Oh yeah. Slight rubbing in this rears, but not excessively. So as we come over here to the rear side, I'm actually test fitting a wing here. It's kind of locked up. It's crazy how it's not moving because there's a lot of wind going on. So do have so I made kind of like a bracket at an angle so it points down. I put some pictures in there, but it kind of like points down because you don't want it to be straight forward because and it wouldn't direct the air how it should. But a friend gave me this wing, so I thought I would make good use of it and put it on something. So everything else pretty normal. See the horses in the back too. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull the harness and then go from there. I'll throw in some pictures in here, see what you think. These are adjustable as well, so I can adjust these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make I made like a bracket here, and then I angle this so it angles down, but I'm gonna tell him to put a couple holes on the bracket itself so I have a more adjustability with the wing. So let's go ahead and I'll let you guys know when I get some updates right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the harness and then get back. The next day, I did drive the car a little bit with this new harness. I kind of just put it in for now. It doesn't look the best, but it works. I didn't want to chop off OEM harness. It still has the brand new marking on there. All the clips are brand new, so I didn't want to chop off the harness. And it's just I guess the Honda guy in me. So what I did, I heat wrapped this part right here so the exhaust wouldn't really corrode the wire loom. But for now, this one works. It pops VTEC and all that now. So I mean, before it would still work, but it was like sometimes where, like, let's say like if I pressure wash the engine or if I was to move something, it would just like start acting differently. So everything's good. Oh, I did get a traction bar. I don't know if I mentioned that before. So traction bar is in. Next thing to do is I'm already gonna order all the stuff to reloom the outer harness so I can put the outer harness back in. But this harness is gonna be that for sure working harness that we know, so we can test out on all the auto swaps and that sort of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go take it out for a spin real quick, see how that goes. It is kind of raining outside, so gonna try not to get on it with these tires. No, we'll see. These are oysters. So I'm gonna go pick up some stuff later for breakfast. So let's go. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, I do have a four sets of like a full set of wheels back there and 2 extras, so that's why it looks kind of cramped. Good thing is the traction bar, I mean the harness bar and the X bar kind of like keeps everything in place, so I can still drive it how I drive and not have to worry about things moving around. But I am gonna take it off later on today, take everything out and clean up the car. Put the fuel pump on, and it just starts right up. Right now, I think it's on it's on E63 right now. Still have flex fuel. I would recommend flex fuel. It's a lifesaver. on my friend's car, his R6. So I did get a video of that, so I gotta edit that, and then I'll put that up. So I'm gonna try to upload this video today, and then I'll upload the other one tomorrow. Just gotta get everything edited and everything. So we'll see you guys when we come back. I'll try to get more videos out of everything that I'm doing. Back on the road, lap 1 number burning. So let's see what it does when let's see what it does. I'm pretty sure it's gonna spin. So, but it's not like I can't control it. So I do not recommend this if you're not used to your car. I drive this car every day, so kind of used to it now. This is yeah. So before I would have like an issue where like if it's like if something was to like if somebody's sitting in the passenger seat and they hit the wire, it's gonna like run it. I recommend driving in the rain with these tires